In this recording, I'm going to show you how you can close down your notifications. This is really helpful if you want to keep your inbox nice and focused and clean and actionable. There are three ways to close down a notification. The first is a manual close down. So you can see that there's a close action in the footer of all notifications here that have this feature enabled. So once I've actioned my notification, for example, here's a chatter message that I've since responded to, I can then close that notification and that disappears from view. But it's not gone forever because all closed notifications are only moved to the recycle box for a period of time. And if I click on the recycle box, I can see all of my recently closed notifications, and from there I can preview the details. I can click through to the record if I need to, or I can reopen to turn it into an actionable item again. So I then untick to move back into the inbox, and I can see that I've just recovered this notification here. So the second way to clear a notification is to enable a closure when you click through to the record. So this is a way of just making it really easy to close something down if it's just a springboard into action. So if I go to the chatter notification configuration here and I go to the message settings, I can choose a feature setting that says close message on click. So by enabling that, that's going to close down the message when I click this icon here and actually click through to the underlying record. I can also close the inbox, which means that the inbox will collapse as well. So I can immediately springboard into the record, and that's all I need to do there. So if I save that, I'll show you what I mean. I'm now going to refresh that to pull those settings in, and now when I click through, you'll notice that I'm immediately straight through to the record, and if I expand the inbox, the message has disappeared and the inbox of course closed. The message of course has been moved into the recycle bin, and we can see if we hover over here, that's now moved to status closed. The third way to close down a notification is using flow. This is for situations where a change is made to a record and you want to automatically cancel any pending notifications that are currently actively in someone's inbox. So that's probably outside the scope of this demo, but if you'd like to learn more, there is a knowledge article on this in our knowledge base. So if you go to Unlock Endless Possibilities and choose Cancelling Notifications with Flow, this will talk about the find and close notification message. So a great example of this is if you've got active notifications in relation to a case, but the case has now been closed down, you can now trigger and create some automations that automatically revokes and removes that notification, again just to keep the inbox nice, clean and relevant for the user.